is a 2012 Mack GU713 Granite. It is their best truck as far as giving suspensions and whatnot. This is the only one, from my understanding, that's allowed to have the 20,000 fronts. Anything else, you had to be built aftermarket, you know. So this Mack, it's half round inside. The rears are on a CAMEL, so you can see the way the leaf is, and the pivoting on this goes to where center axle is able to go like completely, I dare say almost vertical. All cylinders are looking good, no leaks that I can see. I mean, that's a nice shaped cylinder. I love the CAMEL. Is that cool or what? Look at the way that design is. Like military. Here's the Muncie controller. PTO in and out, raise and lower, and then a little back here for your back gate. So, easy, easy. Come on down. Beautiful rig, man. I fell in love with the 20 fronts, big CAMEL suspension on the end, and just the fact that this Granite itself holds market value like no other. That's why I bought it, and I hope you can appreciate that too. So, hey Mom, look. It got little puppy dog feet on the floor.
Aww.
See?
Oh, you need to buy it just for that.